Well, I was just out walking my dog and I heard the rattling of stones behind me as he came down over a bridge that I'd just come over. And I turned and he ran towards me and I said, "What do you want?" And he went, "You." So I was grappling with him and then he just socked me really hard, flattened me, and then just threw me to the ground, and well, that was sort of it.
How the hell would I remember 30 years ago if somebody was walking the dog?
Yeah, there is that. But of course, what we're going to be touching on later is that this female has got your semen on her at some point. So that may jog the memory.
Well, how would my semen be on somebody that I don't know?
That's why you're sat there. That's a very good question. Can you answer it?
No, I can't.
Because she's given us an account of why your semen is on her.
I haven't a clue why it's on it.
Okay.
That's if it's mine.
Well, it's yours.
Despite extensive efforts through the early 1990s, including extensive house-to-house inquiries, extensive statement taking and an EFIT being produced, the offender was never identified. I undertook a cold case review. That review identified Anthony Carlin as being responsible. In the face of overwhelming evidence that we gathered, he pleaded guilty at Cardiff Crown Court. South Wales Police has got a long, proud tradition of reinvestigating undetected serious crime cases. I'd say to the victims of crime, it's never too late to report the offence, particularly serious violent sexual crime. If you've not reported it previously, please feel free to come forward. We will listen and we will investigate it thoroughly and vigorously.